Welcome to Brain Vision.
So let's solve this problem. In this problem, we have to given the first of all we have to given the Y connected source so, source connection in three phase, which is balanced, right? And another thing is the load, which is also balanced, Y connected, right? So and the voltage is given 220 volt, and the impedance is 16 plus 9J, right? So first of all, understood what is the data is given to us, right? So the it is only given that 220 volts. It means that, and the Y connected. So it means that one of the voltage, let's suppose this is VA, one of the voltage VA is equal to 220 angle 0. Let's suppose the phase angle is, this is our reference phase phasor, right? So then what about the VB? The VB is also, as this is a balance, so the magnitude will be same, and the phase difference must be is equal to 120. Suppose this is a plus 120 degrees, right? Then what about the VC? The VC will also be, the magnitude will be same, that is 220 angle, and the phase difference must be 120 degrees. So this is minus 120, right? So this is our actual given data, right? And the Z is 16 plus 9J, and this is also a balanced load connection. It means the value of Z in each case will be 16 plus 9J. I'm not overwriting over here. I'm just saying this is also Z, and this is also Z. The value will be same. Now what we have to find out is the line current, right? So as this is the balance connection, I'm just writing an important point. As this is a balance connection, so the line current, magnitude of line current will also be same in each line, right? So IA, IB, and IC will be same in each line, and the IA is this, IB is IC is this, and IB is this, right? And the important thing is, as the voltage has phase difference is 120 degrees, similarly, the phase difference will be also 120 degrees, right? Phase difference is equal to 120 degrees. So if we find out one of them, suppose I find out the IA, then we can find out all of them by just following these two important points, right? So let's try to find out one of them. So suppose VA is 220 0, as I already said that VA is 220 angle, VA is 220 angle 0, right? So just we have a formula for Z is, we also know the, just writing another point, vector Z is equal to vector V by vector I, right? So just put the values in this formula. So what I'm going to do is, we have to find out IA, right? So what we can do that, we can just cross multiply and write the formula for IA. IA is equal to vector V by vector Z, right? Okay then. So just put the values. So the value of IA will become 220 angle 0, right? And the J is given as in the question is 16 plus 90, right? So I'm just 16 plus 9J. Yeah, 16 plus 9. So just put it over here. This is a 16 plus 9J. So for simplicity, just convert this into polar form, right? So what I will get if I convert it into the polar form. Okay, so I will get, if I convert into the polar form, I will get as, the first is 220 angle 0 degrees, right? And the second one is, you can convert it with the help of calculator. You will get 18.36 angle 29.36, right? So this is, and now you can just divide it. You will get the value of IA as 11.98, and you have to subtract this angle by this, so you will get minus 29.3. Oh, I think there is not a sufficient space. I'm just writing it again at the bottom of it, right? So I just Again, writing over here, IA, the final IA is 11.98 angle minus 29.36. Okay, so this is our IA. We can say that this is our line. In the question, it is only says that we have to find out the line current. In which line it is not specified, but you can find all other line currents by just putting these by just following these two lines, right? So I also calculate the another line currents also. So the IB will be as the IB IB will be magnitude will be same. So that will 11.98. Angle will be, how you can find the angle, as you can see that the VA is lagging from, this is our VA and this is our VB, right? So VB is lagging from VA by 120 degree. It means IA will be lagging from 120 degrees from IB, right? So IB will be minus 29.36 plus 120 degrees. So this will become 11.98 angle. The angle 90.64 amperes, right? So the previous one is also at the unit also ampere, right? So this is our IB, and similarly the IC will be magnitude will be same, which is equal to 11.98, and then angle 120 degree. As you can see in the circuit itself, the IA is leading from IC by 120 degrees, right? So this will be leading by 120 degrees. So IC will be the angle of IA minus 29.36 minus 120 degrees, right? So you will get IC as, so you will get IC, which is equal to 11.98 angle 149.36 ampere, right? So these are our final answer. So this is one answer, this is another answer. All of these are in amperes, right? And this is our one of the answer, right? So that's it. Thank you.